So, hello everyone. Today we're gonna start with some basic example of Python. So let's start. Here it is the first example, print hello world command. So here actually print is the built-in function of Python command which is already available in Python library. It is already defined in its library. So its syntax is print command, then parenthesis, then we have to write double quotation within which we have to write our string. So when I run this command, it will print hello world, where hello world is a string. In the next example, what actually I am doing, I have imported a integer to a variable. Here my number is a variable and I have given 3, the integer value 3, to the my number. And when I write print, here I don't need to give double quotation in the parenthesis bracket because my number is a variable. If I write any integer or string directly, then I have to give double quotation inside the parenthesis, inside which I have to write the string or integer. In the second variable, my number 2 is the same thing is going on, and in the third I have given string value to the my number variable. Here I have given my number equal to hello world. So when I run this command, I will get 3 of them, 3, 4.5 and hello world. So go to the next example. Here actually now I have written that num equal to square bracket. What does it means? It means I have make a list names of nums. Here num is a list within which I have to input my integers or strings or float or any. I have to make my list. So here nums dot append within bracket 21. Here nums is the class name within which dot means within which I have to append, I have to import a number. Here I have written that num dot append 21. I have imported a integer 21. In the next nums dot append 40.5, and in the third nums dot append within quotation. So here I have imported string. String is a string actually. So when I you can write here India also, anything, any string, Indian. So when I run this, I will get that list of the num. So here I have got that list 20, 40, 21, 40.5 and Indian. So let's go to the third example. Here in the third example, I have specified the data type of the. So here go to the third example. In the third example, I have written name equal to input, enter your name. So here go to the third example. In the third example, I have given a name variable to which I have to give my input. So I have written here name equal to input, enter your name. So here I am giving the input. In the next line I have given the output or print hello and my name is the variable. So when I run this, I will get hello and my name. So I have to write here and here hello Virat. So let's go to the next programming. So in this programming, actually it is a if else programming. So here in first statement, num1 equal to 34. Here num1 is allocated with 34 integer. Here if num1 is greater than 12, then print num1 is good, or else if num1 greater than 35, print num1 is num else if num1 greater than 35, print num2 is not good, else print num2 is great. So we have to check whether num1, that is 34, is greater than 12 or greater than 35, or which comes under else statement. So we can know that it is greater than 12, so it will print num1 is good. So let's run this, which will print num1 is good. Let's go to the next programming. In this programming I have created a function. So we use def command to create a function. Def and the function name parenthesis. So def so here hello function is created. Then I have to print hello and print hello again. Then I have called the function hello. So if I omit this hello function which I have been called, then it will not run. So here you can see it is not running. So to run this hello function I have to call that function. So when I call this function, let's run this, it will print hello again. So let's go to the next programming. So here it is, in this programming def get integer function is created. Within get integer function it has declared result equal to int input enter integer. It means result, the variable, will take only integer input. So here data type of the result variable is declared, which is integer, and in the next command return result. Again main function is created, within which print started is the string which he has printed. Then output equal to get integer, means the variable inside the get integer will given the value to the output. Means in get integer we have which variable return, it is result. Then result variable will be imported into the output variable. Means in this command line output variable will get the value inside the result variable. So then print output, we have to print that. Then next, if name equal to within quotation main, then main equal to main command, main function is called. What does this line means? This is very important and interesting line. So we write this command, this total command, when we run the function directly without importing the variable. Here I have not imported what is the integer. So and I have run the command, so I have to write this command so that it will get the integer. So when I run this command, it will say me to the enter the integer 34 and it will print 34. So if I omit this line through hashtag, then it will not run. So here you can see it is not running. So I have to clear that hashtag so that it can run. So let's go to the next function, next programming. Here for step in range 5, means here step in is the variable or list which comes under range function, and it says that range function says that, you can see here range function you can get the range functions details. It says that range start, stop, step return an object that produces a sequence of integer from start to stop. So it's gives the list of the integer, sequence of the integer. So here written that range 5 means it will give 0 1 2 3 4 5. We calculate from 0. Okay, then let's come to the last programming. Here import math. Import command is used to import libraries. Actually math is a library. Within this we have created a main function, and within that num is a variable, and we have defined that num variable has only input float variable, means the data type of the num variable is float. So in the next, num equal to math dot fabs. So what is fab? I have to click. What is fab command? Fab command is used to get the absolute value of a decimal. So next I have written print num, and I have already defined says that why we write this type of command. So when I run this, I have to write 5.66. okay, it will print the exact value of the integer.